Good morning, children. Sairam. Today we are going to start with our writing section, and the first topic that we are going to take is article writing. So, you all have done this earlier also from your childhood. You are doing at least in 10th, 11th, 12th. In ninth, also, you have done the practice of article writing, and you are just continuously writing this, but still, sometimes you commit mistakes, and in the writing section, the most important thing is that you all have to take care of the format is extremely important. Writing, what are the creative things that you have to write about it, that is just how you're presenting your ideas, your thoughts, that is okay, you can easily do that. But every writing section has a different format, and you have to understand that which format is used for what piece of writing. So let's see the article writing first. So articles are longer compositions and may be discursive or argumentative or an expression of a viewpoint. They may share the writer's viewpoint on a social or environmental issue, an event of general interest and concern, like the status of women or girl child, education, literacy, civic amenities, social customs, and new trends in. So, this point I'm taking once again, an event of general interest and concern, like the status of women or girl child, education, literacy, civic amenities, social customs, and new trends in society and among the teenagers, or national or international issues. So, basically, things that are related to issues or the events that are concerned with the status of women in India. We usually write articles for such things. Your articles can describe something, or it can be kind of argumentative also. It's just the expression that how you see a thing, what are your views on that, and then you're presenting this thing in a form of writing. So 5 basic writing skills students should learn on: proper spelling and punctuation, good reading comprehension, sentence and paragraph structure, knowledge of different types of writing, editing and rewriting. These are the things that you have to keep in mind. Moreover, your para, whatever you are taking, it should have some kind of interest, especially the starting of the para. It should be like, it should catch the attention of the reader. It should not be boring. It should be something where you can attract the reader. This is very important in any piece of writing. Whenever you're writing something, your introduction portion is starting of the para or starting of anything should be quite interesting, so that it can hold the attention of the reader. What are the parts of an article? Articles are generally composed of 4 parts: headline, lead, body, and conclusion. The headline and lead introduce the article and define its focus, while the body backs up the premise. So, first of all, that how you write the article, that is, you give the heading on the top of that, and just below that, you mention that by whom the article has been written. So, that is very important. Rule 1 for writing a good article: minimize your barrier to entry. Rule 2 for writing a good article: keep your paragraph short and your text visually appealing. So this is the same thing. Your text should be appealing to the readers. It should be consist of like all the important informations, you can say, or the important things about which you want to discuss or you want to speak. It should have all such things. So rule 3 for writing a good article: keep it short and sweet. Rule 4 for writing a good article: keep a substance. Give me substance. Now let's see, these are also some of the things. Features of an article: a suitable title. This should be suggestive of the main idea of the article. Byline, simplicity and clarity. Well stated purpose, logical organization of the content. So whatever your heading is, that should be the combination of all these things. It should not be like that the article you are writing, that is different, and the heading what you have given, that is different. It should be like combination of both. It should match to the content. Introduce or elaborate the topic to engage interest and to explain the situation. Introduce the subject and your viewpoint at the outset. Discuss the causes and effects to justify the interpretation. Include supportive ideas to substantiate your point of view. Give suggestions and solutions for improvement. Describe the ideal situation. Express a wish for perfection. So, all these are the simple points that you have to keep in mind. Whatever you are explaining in the topic, you have to take all the important points. It does not mean that you have to write a very lengthy para. Even in short and sweet para, you can give all the important points and the issues that you want to discuss about. And if something which is very lengthy, it becomes quite boring. So it should be short, simple. Obviously you have to take care of the word limits. It's very important. Whatever the word limits have been given to you, you should take care of that. See, some of the words like 4 5 up or down can be considered, but it should not be like that 100 words extra you are writing, or 100 words you are writing less. It should not be like that. So you have to keep this thing in mind. Some of the examples of article writing. So this is one topic in this question. I think it was cropped, so question is not there. So it's about the brain drain trend by E. Davis. So this is the example of article writing, that where you write the heading and just below that the person who has written that by. So this is something which you can go through. This is just the example of article writing, and I think you all are knowing very well. You just to work on that a bit more so that you can score good marks in writing section. Children, whatever is coming in your exam in 12th standard, some of the points have been deducted, like letter or poster making, but still I think we are going to cover all these things, whatever is coming or not. If possible, I will try to take each and everything, so that in future you may, if you may feel like that there is a need of that, it can be useful in future also. So we are going to take each and everything. We are not going to leave anything. But yes, in exams many of the topics have been deducted, your chapters and the writing portions also. So you just take care of that. You go through the things which will be there in the exam, but yes, you can understand at least whatever is not coming. It will be beneficial. Some or the other time it will be beneficial for you in the future. So this is the newspaper article format. Different A typical newspaper article contains 5 parts. So newspaper article is something a bit different, and the article that you're writing normally, it's a bit different. The format and everything is same, but how you give the presentation for the newspaper, that is a different thing. So headline, this is a short attention getting statement about the event. Byline, this tells who wrote the story. So some of the children, sometimes they write these headings also, like headline, byline, lead paragraph. There is no need to write that, but yes, if you want to make your article attractive, you can use that, but there is no need. You are not going to get any extra marks for that. So then lead paragraph, yes, the paragraph that is going to hold the attention of the readers. Then explanation, what are the points that you are going to take in that. Then additional information, anything additional you want to add to your information, that is this one. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals, so as to make some difference to the world. It may be the topics of interest of the writer, or it may be related to some current issues. So if you are interested in writing something, you can go for that, or if you want to talk about the current issues, then also you can go for that. So this is your article. This is the format. You can go through it. If still you are finding any problem, you can ask me, no problem. Okay, this was your article writing, children. Apart from this, writing section we have taken one thing. I think about poster I have told you earlier also in my previous video, and this is the other thing, article writing we have taken. Apart from this, I just want to give you a very short summary of the poem, because some of the students, they are finding problem in an elementary classroom. Okay, some of the queries I got about the poem. So I was thinking to start with the chapters, like the first chapter, which is the last lesson. So I was thinking that I'm going to, with every writing section, I'm going to take one chapter, just a bit of summary I'll give you, so that it may be more clear to you. But now I'm thinking that instead of the chapters, first I would like to start with the poems. So I think most of you are facing problem in the poems, so I'm going to start with the poems. So let's start with it.